Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking on how to download and play Roblox. So it might be a bit confusing to people, as we can see there's nothing that shows us on downloading Roblox. Well, don't worry, it's not that difficult. I'll show it to you. So we want to go to home. Once we're in the home page over here, select any games that you want to play. For us, it's gonna be Mad City. How about that? So now we press on this green button, the green play button. Once we press on that, it's gonna come up as Roblox is loading, get ready. So after that, we can see there's a prompt on download and install. We're gonna press on that and we're gonna save it. Our download is complete. We'll launch the program from the download, and with that, our installation should begin. Let's wait for it to install. It's not going to take too long, but depends on your hard drive speed. I am installing it on my SSD, so it's going to be a bit faster. So once that's done, it should be all over. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Now just press on it. A prompt's gonna come up that open Roblox. We're gonna open it, and that's it. You've downloaded and installed Roblox. Here, as you can see, I'm in Mad City, and it is an entirely different application. And we're in. We'll have to give it some time to load, so let's wait for it to load. But as you can see, the installation and download has been completed, and now you can select any Roblox game mode you want from the home page and just press on the green button. We're gonna close that because that's a lot of sound, but once you do that, that should be it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Roblox. Now all you have to do is press on the green button and enjoy. So if this video helped you in one way or the other, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you press on that notification bell for future updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.